Just tell me when to go.
Okay.
All right, so this is our HydroExo prototype system for monitoring hydration. So we've outfitted, this is an off-the-shelf Camelback hydration system, and we've outfitted it with a hinge. And the hinge actually just tells you whether it's full, so the hinge would be expanded, or if it's empty, the hinge would contract. So that's our kind of range of how much water is in the pouch. And then we also have, this is the Edison board, and we have a temperature sensor on here, and this is our surrogate accelerometer, which we'll demonstrate in a moment. And then this is all powered by, in theory, a 9-volt battery. In this particular video, it's off the wall. But we're not connected to a computer or anything like that. And the idea is that we have a system that will display the data from these sensors on an Android smartphone. So why don't we go ahead and show, would it photograph better if you do it on the laptop? Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is actually a simulator. Actually put the phone in front of it too. So the screen is probably a little bit easier to see with the phone, but they're actually both doing the same thing. So the different graphs, there's temperature in the top in red, the activity level, which is our surrogate accelerometer in green, and then the blue is our water level. And so we can show each of these in turn. Right now the temperature is just showing room temperature, but if we were to kind of heat it up, that would be significant of a hotter environment. So that would influence how much water we would want to be drinking. And we also have the activity sensor, so that's another variable that might affect how much water we want to drink. So if somebody's very, very active, they should be drinking more water. And then finally, the representation of the water itself. So as you deplete, you start to see that bottom trace go down. And we do have it color-coded based on some thresholds. So green is essentially showing that you have lots of water left. Yellow is kind of a medium amount of water. Just waiting until that updates to show some yellow. And then red is essentially telling you, oh, I think I have to be careful, so yeah, let's grab it from this side. Right, so then yellow, if you can just show that very bottom trace, there you go. So you can see, so red is sort of like all empty, and then let's say we fill it up again, and then it's completely full. Right, so that's basically our end-to-end system, and this is all operating wirelessly over Bluetooth. And that's our 2 days worth of effort on having a prototype system for hydration monitoring. Thank you.